Hi everyone, my name is Emma from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we are going to go over the I's, Y's, and T's exercise from the ACE Home-Based Maintenance Program. The purpose of this exercise is to help strengthen the muscles around your scapula or your shoulder blades here. So you're predominantly going to feel this within your back and your shoulders. I'm going to demonstrate a few levels of difficulty, so be sure to choose a comfortable place for you to start. There is a disclaimer up on our website, so be sure to review that prior to beginning any exercise. If you have any questions, you can contact us at ace@ucalgary.ca. So to begin, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this exercise while laying on the ground, so you can do this on the ground with a yoga mat or a towel, whatever feels comfortable for you. So coming down onto my back here, I'm going to make sure that my low back is staying flat onto the ground while I have about a 90-degree bend here in my legs. So as I'm here, my back is firm into the ground, my shoulders are relaxed, my core is engaged, and all the movement is going to be driven by my thumbs here. So as I'm relaxed, pulling my arms and hands up overhead, forming an I, capital letter I with my arms, relaxing back down to that original position, relaxing those shoulders, out into my Y, again relaxing here, and out into my T. So as you're here, going through at a comfortable pace, just like you're doing the YMCA here. So you can try for 45 seconds or 10 to 15 reps, which is the full 3 letters there. The next option that we have is coming up to standing here. So I'm bringing my feet hip distance apart, a slight bend into my knee to support my low back, and I'm coming into the same movement. My core is engaged, shoulders are relaxed, coming up into my I, again keeping those shoulders down, my Y, and to my T. So I'll show you standing this way, again, that slight bend, everything's relaxed and engaged, my I, my Y, and my T here. The last option I have is you can do this seated. So you can make sure that you can touch your feet onto the ground to make sure that you do feel a bit more stable here. I have the slight bend, just hinging over my hips a little bit, again relaxing those shoulders and coming into that I, the Y, and the T. And that's the I, Y, and T exercise. Best of luck.